Sarpanch, you are supposed to come. Yes. Actually, he was at my house, so I said, please come. He had my phone and text so I said, come. Actually, I thank you very much for making it possible for this press conference. In fact, this press conference is very, very important for me because this is pertaining to the development of Naveli constituency. As you are aware, Naveli had nearly 1,000 kilometers of good roads. They were one of the best roads in the state of Goa. But for the last 8 or 9 years, I'm going to give you the details. Since 2011, around 30 work orders were issued for some contractors from outside for laying the sewerage pipelines. I got a list of these agencies who were given the work somewhere in 2011, 12 and 13. And they were supposed to complete these sewerage works as per their work orders and as per the contract 17, 18, 19, 2019. We are today in 2021. These contractors had been responsible in breaking the very good roads from Naveli constituency, mainly 5 villages of Naveli: Telauli, Akembaish, Davoli and Housing Board. Now, still, I have got request from the sewerage department that they want to have further permissions to break the roads, either to lay additional sewerage lines or to construct the manholes. I had raised this matter in the assembly. I discussed this matter with the PWD minister, and I discussed this matter with the Honorable Chief Minister. And I'm happy to inform you that as on date, the government has sanctioned 28 crores 4 lakhs 20,216 rupees to repair and restore the remaining roads which were broken down by the sewerage department. You may be aware, last 2 years, we have already repaired some of the roads. In, for example, Telauli from Radile to Telauli, Painchwado. We have repaired the roads in Naveli constituency in many places. We have restored the roads mostly in Akembaish village. And we have restored some of the roads in the housing board. But mainly the main roads like Naveli to Singeti, Telauli Chapel to Nagmode, this road from the opposite Panchayat and road from Akembaish to Mandopa are still under total mess because the sewerage works are still going on, and therefore it is becoming very difficult for us to repair it. Now today, before coming over here, I discussed with the managing director of the Sewerage Corporation, and I have requested him to finish the sewerage works by end of this month, because this we had been telling them for the last 1.5 years. And most of the roads, they said they will complete it. I would like to announce that the hot mixing of the roads will start from 5th of April. From today we have already started cleaning the roads. Now, for example, from Navili to Kolne and further, the cleaning of the roads had started 3 days back. So my appeal to all the sarpanches, panchayat members and to the public to extend them all the cooperation so that they can start the cleaning work, and from 5th of April we will start the work of hot mixing of the roads in a very organized manner. To the PWD and Sewerage Department and the JICA Corporation, that they should not break the roads as they have done in the Yalgon, Fradile to Yalgon. I had hot mixed the road last year and they broke it this year. I am also warning places who are breaking the new. Don't want any agency or any department to break the roads. And if they break the roads, I am warning them. I am also requesting the public and Sarpanch and Panchayat members to come forward and file an FIR against them. Thousands of crores are spent, and I don't know from where these agencies which are still going on, and they were supposed to complete it by 2018, 2019, and they have still not completed.
So the sewerage department has completed all the works.
I have just told you, they have
not because in some areas the pipeline is late, the cross drains are yet to be dug.
I have told them, not now, I told them last year to complete the works and give it to us by 1st April so that we can start the hot mixing of the roads. Sorry? This is a $1 million question. When government gave these work orders somewhere in 2011, 12 and 13, whether they have investigated the capacity of these contractors to carry out thousands of crores of rupees of work, I don't know. But what I can say, after 8 or 9 years, people in Navili are suffering because roads are in a mess, people are put to inconvenience, and even after a lapse of 8 or 9 years, the sewerage works are not completed.
I think some of the NOC by PWD were given just last year.
No, they are given by collector. What the PWD is saying, I had called PWD engineers also today, and I had also called the contractors so that they can start the work. I told them not to give any more permissions, but they are saying collector is giving them without their knowledge. So I appeal to the collector, please don't give any extension of time, because people already suffered for the last 8 or 9 years, and don't make the people suffer more. When the rains come, we get the choicest bad words on the social media at us, and when the rains are over, we get a line of people to ask for permission to break the roads.
But are there any chances wherever the work, sewage work is completed, Navili villagers will get the connections?
Now again, you were present when I had called a meeting of all the panchayats, collectively and individually, and distributed the forms to them to fill up the forms and ask for connections. Now I also told at that time, don't wait for the sewerage lines to be commissioned. You apply, take the connection and keep it there, don't connect it till it is commissioned. And accordingly, I am telling you,
they are not accepting the form.
Accordingly, I am telling you, many places they have already submitted the forms. For example, Davoli, they have submitted the forms.
It is functional and it is connected also.
And whoever has commission, file the forms, they are released the connection. Housing board, 100% they are released
Housing board
connection.
only, otherwise, on any other place they are not accepting the.
No. For example, last year I did a road at Tonguri. I'm just giving you as an example. And before hot mixing, I personally requested the panchayat members, who is presently Sarpanch also, and they got the thing connected. But permission.
Only cross lanes are cut.
Yeah,
Only cross lanes.
that is called connection. But it cannot be connected because these lines are not commissioned.
That is why in many places cross lane work is still remaining.
No, mostly it is done. If it is not done, it is their headache. But I have distributed more than one.
In some areas, the MC board not issued on the deputy governor. Pipeline मतलब cross lane more only.
Anything else? You are asking some question?
How do you react to the political development of Pratima Jani She blames you.
Our friends are behind, but let me tell you, as a disciplined, loyal soldier of the Congress party, I don't want to comment on what has happened. Because Naveli Sila Panchayat is not only Naveli constituency. Villages, out of which two village panchayats, Naveli and Telauli, falls in Naveli constituency, and Dramapur, Sirli and Sarzora falls in Veli constituency. This is one. Now, you should ask this question because I resigned as a president in 2017. When many MLAs, who has given the ticket, what are the reasons, how they were made to take their electoral role, which was in Margaon, to Naveli after the elections were declared. Don't ask me. You ask the organization people, you ask the people who have asked her to contest.
काँग्रेसीचे उमेदवार आशिल्लो प्रतिमा
कितें?
काँग्रेसीचे उमेदवार आशिल्ले प्रतिमा चारशे मतांनी डिफीट जाला. ताणें म्हटलेलें की तुमी मातसो समजा इंट्रस्ट घेतिलो जाल्यार आपूण जिखपाक शकता अशें ताणें म्हटलें.
हांवें जेन्ना प्रतिमा मुजबरी येयलें हांवें ताका सांगिल्लें चोय आमच्या AICCची मिटींग जाल्ली ऑन Zoom, and the party leadership told me very clearly, you go to Kerala. We are going house to house. We don't need your help. You can come and address the meetings after you come back from Kerala. So after I came back from Kerala, I addressed one meeting in Telauli, one meeting in Naveli, and one meeting not in my constituency, that is Dramapur, because Dramapur, Sirli and Sarodara doesn't fall under Naveli constituency. Please, when you are writing that it is Naveli and Luisan Palero, you are expecting to go to Naveli constituency, Veli constituency, house to house. I don't know. But one thing I am telling you, your own colleagues, when I was in Kerala, phoned me. And they said, sir, where are you? I said, I am in Kerala. He said, the situation of the Congress party is bad. I said, I am in Kerala, I will come back and I will attend. And I have attended the meetings. I think many of you were present also. When I addressed the meeting in Yalwan, I addressed the meeting in Brahmapur, I addressed the meeting in I'll explain the roles with you. You see, study the roles. In fact, CPU has not increased his margin. CPU's margin has come down. What has changed is that the different political parties have come in the fray and they have taken the votes. CPU's vote was from 5,000 or 6,000, it's come to 2,000. Accept my resignation. You are not giving me, keep my son, but the consensus was to give to the widow of the house.
एचपी साकून सुद्धा काँग्रेसी भितर अशी जालेकडेन आसा जर बापू इंडियन जाल्यार चेड्या सुद्धा एमएलए चेड्या करून चेड्या तिकेट दिली आसता ते कित्याक दिवना तेंचे
ये boring question to really. Bhakti Janaka, you ask the party leadership this question because I don't know who asked the candidate to take her name from Margaon, come to Naveli and contest this election, and who take the responsibility. Don't ask me. As far as MLA of Naveli, I am saying that we lost badly for 2 villages. But we have lost badly for Ramapur, Sivli and Sarzara, which are 3 villages not in Naveli constituency, but they fall in Naveli constituency. So overall, even though Sipru lost his vote bank, but still he is number 1. And I was worried that Congress position may be even worse. That is the reason I said I will come for every meeting. And the result is the Matilda, she has just missed by 100 votes to cross the Congress.
सर एक काँग्रेस म्हणून तुमकां दिसता की ऑर्गनायझेशन मला कितें चेंज जावंक जाय प्रेसिडेंटान कितें अशें
See, Luizin Falero has been in politics in the state of Goa and has served by the grace of God at the national level. आता त्यांनी प्रश्न विचारला आमगे नॉर्थ इस्टाक जरी तर एक आमदार भायर पडटा जाल्यार ती फर्स्ट प्रेफरन्स दिवप. This is one. So Luizin Falero has seen politics at the state level, national level. आता जे जाता तें चोयन, if I say I am not sad, then I will be telling a lie. I feel sad. I feel bad to see the present situation in the party. And I cannot deny the fact that situation is bad because we lost 13 MLAs, we lost all the by-elections, we lost the Zilla Panchayat elections. In fact, I had requested them not to contest on party lines because all along for the last 20 years, since the Zilla Panchayat came into Goa, my philosophy in life as a PCC president, and I told this to the PCC president, was you allow the new leadership to come up in the villages. Don't put the party label on them. Let them flourish, let them come up. That is how you get new, young, dynamic leadership at the village levels. This did not happen this time. And these are the results.
After you comment on the Aam Aadmi Party's position in Naveli constituency.
I told you I don't want to comment, but you cannot take certain results in isolation. When it comes to panchayat or municipalities, people look at the candidate. People see their relationship to the candidate. People normally don't like to go on party lines. So I'm pleased that Matilda has got.
That is what I am saying, that AAP is taking the votes of both sides. That is what I am saying, that AAP is taking both side votes, even BJP, even Sipru and even Congress. So that is what I am asking, what do you...
That's
looking ahead at
see,
election,
all these questions regarding organization, don't ask me. You ask
No,
the
I am
party.
not.
You ask the party leadership.
I am asking as of Naveli constituency only. So you are a sitting MLA.
No.
Being a sitting MLA and reducing Congress in Congress.
This let it be not on the T's. You know, last time many of the candidates who were there in the assembly, they had come to me. They had asked me, sir, are you contesting? I had told them, no, I am not contesting. When I decided at the last moment, many of the people said, sir, we had asked you, now